Hi and hello there at nagbabalik tayo dito sa ating no contact update, no, for today. Yan ang mga babes, no, December 18, no, 2025, no. So bago natin simulan ito, no, reminders na wala tayong gender ba, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome po. Just take only what resonates and of course, no, pwede nyo rin i-pause yung video na to for a while so that you can focus, no, sa pag-isip sa inyong specific person on mind, no, the one you're curious with, if may thoughts pa ba siya sa inyo, iniisip pa ba niya kayo rito, if may feelings pa ba involved right here sa inyo, no, that's where you're gonna try to find out. By the way, this is real-time energy, so definitely, no, we're not going anywhere. We're gonna tap in sa kanyang energies ngayon. Ngayon mismo, yung pinaka-energy ng taong ito ngayon. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, but today. Okay? So let us see what do we have here. Ibig sabihin, ito yung nararamdaman niya ngayon, ito yung naiisip niya ngayon sa inyo, ito yung mga plano niya sa inyo ngayon. No? If there's any Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angel guides, guardians, ni collective. Can you please show me this person's thoughts and feelings, possible action plano for collective? Okay. Three of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Hearts, Three of Coins, Justice, Hierophant energy, Ten of Wands, the Devil, and the High Priestess. Gosh, OMG. God definitely told this person here na sabihin na sa'yo ito agad-agad before it's too late. Yan o. So kung sino man tong energy na to, no, yeah, you're in separation, you're not talking, nag-disconnect rin ang inyo rito, no, na means of communication, okay? You're not texting, you're not calling, you're not emailing, no, you're not visiting each other, you're not seeing each other, but God wants him or her to tell you this, no? This person here, in his or her thoughts right now, in his or her feelings right now, this person here still loves you. Knight of Pentacles energy, no? And it looks like the universe conspire. Yes, with this person's intentions and feelings. So if akala mo endo na kayong dalawa, tapos na kayong dalawa, no? Gusto ng Lord, no? Ni God rito, no? So hindi ako mag-interfere, no? Ito ay talagang sinasabi ko lang dahil nakikita ko rito. But definitely God told this person here, no? To tell you guys ito sa inyo agad-agad, no? Na ano, na mahal pa rin niya kayo. Because for your energy, no, na nakuha ko rito, you're still waiting in silence for this person, no, pa ba? Okay? Look at this. Okay? Hierophant energy and the High Priestess is an indication that you're still spiritually, high intensely connecting with each other right here, energetically, okay, spiritually. So definitely, this is your person talaga, the one that you're destined to be with all your life, no? The one na makakasama mo as your companion all your life, no? As you grow old, no? Nakikita natin dito that your connection is really not ending right in here. So, if you thought na nagtapos na kayo just because you've got separated, just because may breakup, just because you're not talking, whatever that is, no, in the future, honey, you'll be together. Three of Wands. Ano yung sinabi ng Panginoon sa taong ito, no? Okay, this person here is being guided by God Himself, universe. Okay, and these feelings, these emotions ay kailangan niyang buhayin 'no, dahil kailangan niyang magbalik sa buhay mo dahil siya ang person mo 'no. Binago siya rito ng Panginoon 'no, ang kanya ritong ugali, ang kanya ritong karakter at behavior 'no, ay mas lalo ritong nag-mature, gumanda 'no, at umayos rito. Inayos niya rin ang kanya ritong buhay 'no. Mahal ka ng taong ito at ikaw ang dahilan sa likod ng kanya ritong pagbabago 'no. Full or complete na pagbabago, transformation 'no, na hindi niya yun sinabi sa inyo, wala ring ipinaalam sa iba 'no, pero napansin rin ng mga tao sa paligid niya like his or her mom, his or her parents, his or her mga kapatid, friends 'no, nakita yung pagbabago na ito 'no. So, nakikita ko dito na positive na mga pagbabago ito 'no, and this person here, ibinabalik siya dito ng Panginoon 'no, and it looks like this is you 'no, malapit ka na ritong magsawa ng kahihintay dahil wala talagang pagpaparamdam, walang mensahe, walang tawag, walang pagbisita, walang kahit na ano, na mensahe na nanggagaling sa taong ito 'no. Dahil nga itong tao na 'to ay nababagabag 'no, ng kanya rito 'no, na konsensya 'no, na posibleng may kinalaman sa nakaraan 'no. Pero ang Panginoon 'no, ay sinabi dito sa tao na ito sa pamamagitan ng kanya ritong circumstances 'no, and sa mga binabatong mga signs and clues 'no, na hatid ng mga angel and guardians ninyong dalawa 'no. Especially, Cupids are definitely having meetings 'no, para pagtagpuin kayo ulit 'no. Justice is an energy of balance 'no. Kulang siya kapag wala ka at kulang ka kapag wala siya 'no. And the moment 'no, bakit pinagmamadali na rito before it's too late daw 'no, God told this person here to tell you how much he or she loves you. Okay, dahil okay, ikaw ito na posibleng nagbigay ka na rito sa sarili mo ng hanggang kailan ka nalang maghihintay. Pagdating ng araw ni ito, wala pa rin ang taong ito 'no, kakalimutan mo na siya at titigil ka na sa pag-iisip sa kanya 'no. But God give this person here signs, not just one, not just two, not just three, but more signs that you are gonna get back together into each other's arms, that you are destined for each other. It's just that, okay, yung may mga bagay na parang pinagdaanan kayo, no, and it looks like, no, yun ay isang malaki lamang na pagsubok, a test for your relationship, no, and you're gonna come back into each other's arms, no, more matured. You now can handle this relationship na pretty well, no, and nakikita ko dito na may balance na sa inyong connection, solid partnership, legacy, foundation, very, very strong foundation with the Three of Coins energy, and I do pick up, no, na kayong dalawa ay destined talaga sa inyong future, no. Well, ang Panginoon ang nagsalita 'no, okay. Ang Panginoon ang nagsalita rito 'no, para sa inyong tadhana, siya ang person mo at ikaw ang person niya. Para kayong dalawa sa isa't isa 'no. Kaya nakikita ko rito na ang taong ito 'no, ngayon ay naghahanda na rito upang makipagkita sa'yo at sabihin sa'yo kung gaano ka kamahal 'no, bago pa dumating dito ang hudyat na hinihintay mo rito 'no, na araw na hanggang dun na lang at ititigil mo na ang pagmamahal sa kanya. Sisimulan mo ng mag-move on, mag-move forward at kalimutan siya, kalimutan ng feelings sa kanya 'no, pero hindi yun mangyayari sapagkat ang taong ito ay babalik 'no, bago dumating yung deadline mo for yourself, yung hanggang kailan mo binigyan ng parang ultimatum yung sarili mo, whatsoever schedule, okay, no matter what you call it 'no, yung iba puwedeng sinulat niyo pa yun sa notes ninyo, sa journal ninyo. I just saw it 'no, and yung iba puwedeng yun ay nilagay ninyo 'no, sa inyong phone as reminder 'no. But then again 'no, it's useless because bago mo pa yan gawin, your person here 'no, na hinihintay mo secretly, you're not telling anyone because this is you. Ayaw mo na may sabihing hindi maganda yung iba, devil energy and the Ten of Wands dito sa person mo na ito 'no, kaya hindi mo pinaparating sa iba na mahal mo pa rin siya, na may feelings ka pa rin sa kanya, na hinihintay mo pa rin siya. So, you're just keeping it to yourself, no? For some reason, no, the veil behind the High Priestess energy, the veil behind The High Priestess energy in the classic tarot, okay, may veil dyan, no? Yun mga babes, no, ay isang klase rito, no, ng indikasyon na nararamdaman mo, okay, strongly na bakit ganon, parang pakiramdam ko, hindi pa kami tapos, bakit ganon, parang pakiramdam ko, mahal pa rin ako ng taong ito, no, isa ba itong kahibangan, kasi hindi siya nagpaparamdam, wala akong kahit na anong natatanggap na mensahe sa kanya, pero nararamdaman ko, you're feeling it, no, to your bones, eh, sa lahat-lahat, no, nanonood yun sa yung buong katauhan, no, and it looks like this person here is definitely your man, your woman, no, LGBTQs of course, welcome din kayo, no, well, pasumida. Hey, you're right. 101%. This is your destined lover. This is your destined person. No? And you're far from over because this person is your future. And you are this person's future. No? Kulang siya pag wala ka. No? At kulang ka kapag wala siya. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. No? Okay, kailangan ka niya at kailangan mo siya sa buhay mo. Wow. So I do see that this time, this is something here that's stronger. This is something here that cannot be ruined, no? Because I think yung pinagdaanan ninyo is too much already. That test, you pass it, no? Both of you. So that's why, no, universe, no, ay sinisilyedahan na, no? Sinisild na nga lang. Sinisealed na, no, itong inyo rito, no, na love story, no, that this is undeniably something here, no, na nalampasan niyo na, no. So nakita ko rito, no, na yung person mo ay nagpe-prepare na rito to contact you guys, no. So I think 2 days before your deadline or even mas maaga pa, no, this person here will contact you. Okay? At nakikita ko dito yung huli rito, inaayos niya rito ay kung ano yung susuotin niya. You know, pag nagkita kayo ulit, no? Alam mo, ang cute kasi yung iba nakita ko dito, no, isusuot ninyo yung damit ninyo nung una kayong nagkita. Una kayong nag-date, ganun. Dati, yes, 'no? But that's not for everybody, 'no? Yun lang yung nakita ko dito, 'no? Parang klase ng energy yung panunumbalik ng mga old feelings, 'no, or whatsoever, 'no? Pero walang old feelings dito, eh. Kasi this person here, love ka niya, eh. During that time, during that silent time, this person here, 'no, patuloy ka niyang minamahal, 'no? Patuloy ka niyang iniisip in his or her thoughts, in his or her mind. This person is wishing and praying that you're okay, that you're healthy, that you're someone here that pursues your dreams, no, and you're not stopping. So definitely this person here is concerned for you in silence, no? And I do see that you are also ganun din sa kanya, no, that wherever he or she, no, or anong ginagawa niya, okay, I do pick up that you always want yung best for this person. Ne. So, whoever this energy is, I do pick up now that you are already binded with love. So, even though you're in separation in body, nakita natin dito that this person here, no, is someone, no, na mapupull back pabalik sa inyo. Okay? I'm picking up emotional union. Okay, I do pick up that both of you maaring maluha rito or even cry. Okay? Because you really didn't imagine that this union will happen. Nah, but definitely it will. Wow! So for the initials, nagtagumpay na naman ang pag-ibig, love wins. So for the initials, we have M. LCOPRLG. We also have here GSU. And last but not the least, we have budding double A or A. So yeah, these are all the messages you've got right here for you, babe. I'm so happy for this union, no? And God allowed this. Okay? God allowed both of you to come back into each other. Wow. This reading is very moving and at the same time very inspirational, no? And definitely, ang pinagbuklod talaga sa love, hindi talaga maghihiwalay. Yeah. And if this person is definitely destined, hindi talaga, kahit na anong gawin pa. Nakatadhana at yun ay magaganap at magaganap. So yeah, again, I'm Rihanna on Sarang Yellow and Light. And yun.